Bones.
Joke. Tradition.
Blue. Blue.
5 points for me. Very tasty as usual. No comments.
You, the next feast.
Hi everyone, welcome to Mike and Lera food channel. Hope guys you are having a good day. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite ways to cook chicken. It's marinated chicken cooked in yogurt. Yogurt is a fantastic meat tenderizer. It's absolutely delicious and tender because yogurt keeps all moist and juices inside. And before we start, I want to remind you that ingredients you will find in the description below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you in advance. Let's start. Cut chicken into pieces. Pound chicken lightly. Don't forget to subscribe. Pepper and salt. Some turmeric. A bit soy sauce. 2 teaspoons garlic ginger paste. Mix well and cover for 30 minutes. Let's prepare yogurt sauce. Take around 6 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 cloves of garlic or 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and lemon zest. Mix this well together. Chop 1 onion and cut carrot into slices. And don't forget to press like for this video. Put the chicken in the pan. Cover and leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, mix carefully and add carrot and onion. Cover and leave it for 20 more minutes. And now you can add our yogurt sauce. $200 water. Simmer on low fire for 40 minutes. After it's cooked, open and grate white cheddar and cover for 10 minutes. Let it melt. And bon appetit!
How much I love this moment.
The moment of truth.
Of course, if it's not enough, you can add more. Tradition.
Cheers, everyone.
Why it's so tasty? I don't know.
Why?
Who cooked? I don't know.
You cook it on the low.
It's not me.
Yeah, you don't need a fork in this.
For what?
It's very tender, guys. Look.
I don't know how to show this.
So what? The bone?
Yes, I can just throw like this. I don't know. No, I will not show. I will eat better.
Jump to the camera. Yeah, it's really full. Really tender.
Yes, I just wanted to say it's like meat separate and bone separate, you know, like.
It's falling from the bones.
Give me please tissue.
Why?
Okay. I have t-shirt.
Bloop. Without effort even. Yeah, I cannot eat this with.
And the most important is juice.
It's just that's why I have a bread. You can have it.
I will.
The sauce, the secret sauce.
As usual, everything I have it's secret. Not the secrets around.
All right, let's try this. Wow. It's melting. This is addictive. You have to be careful.
No, not eat this often. Honestly, I would even drink like this.
This is like baby food.
Like this.
That's one full chicken.
You think not enough? Okay, after we will finish, I will cook another one. I will
Cook
not tell
another
you.
It's shrinked. It's really falling.
You can eat these bones. They are so toast.
Bones?
Control. What are you doing?
Really tasty. Yeah, but you cannot, this sauce, we cannot like this. We said no carbs, huh? And then now carbs.
It's rare. It's rare. One time to enjoy.
You don't even need to chew it, you know, it's just like...
As usual. And this touch of lemon. You feel?
Yeah. Amazing. You have to try this one, guys. Really.
It seems a usual chicken. Chicken, nothing special. But how to cook chicken? Many ways.
Yeah.
You cook all the time flavor is. I'm sorry. All the time flavor is different.
You can actually eat the bones.
5 points for me.
5 for me to eat it. That's it, yeah? Oh.
That's it. No, not for now. I will finish my plate.
It's okay, we don't fight on food. Everyone knows this portion.
But after we will turn off camera, we will. What to do? It's life. Very tasty as usual. No comments. Like this.
Sorry, I'm busy.
Guys, subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment. And see you soon in next video.
And join us in the next video, the next feast. See you guys next time.
A peace.